Hey peeps, Peter Parks here. So, welcome. So, in this second leg of the journey, what I wanted to talk to you today about is automated leverage in your business. So, in part one of my last post, we talked about an automated business. In today's post, we're going to talk about automated leverage. So, as you can see here, I'm just in the lounge getting ready to go on the third trip of our leg for around the world. So, I thought I'd give you a quick little sneak peek of that. So I gotta apologize first of all for the lighting in the lounge area. It's not really that good, not really that cut out. So when we're talking about strategic leverage, what you want to do in your business is you want to make sure that you have hidden assets in your business that you're not leveraging. One of the biggest assets you have in your business right now that you're not leveraging, for those of you that has a customer service team, that is one of your profit centers that you can leverage. What do I mean by that? Well, if you have a full-blown customer service team that right now is generating a lot of revenue for you because they're saving you in chargebacks or saving you in refunds, they've got a fantastic customer service experience, and your customers say they got a great customer service experience. What you can do is with that hidden asset is you can now leverage it, which means if you wanted to, you could license out your customer service team to other businesses. You could even license them out to your competitors or to your joint venture partners. So what that basically means is now you have a profit center, whereas a lot of people think their customer service teams are an expense. I look at a customer service team and I look at it as a leveraged asset to be able to bring in more revenue. So once again, one thing for automated business is to have strategic leverage, is to do that with your customer service. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that if you want to, you have the ability to leverage out and license out your customer service team because they're providing such great customer service experience for your business, for your customers. So that is now one of your profit centers. And you can do this at scale if you have replication in your business. So another point is to have leverage in your business and to have automation and to have scale. So what that basically means now is you want to be able to replicate your customer service team to the max so that you can actually license them out to one, two, three, four, or even five different collaborative partners or five different joint venture partners or even your competitors, and you can be able to charge for that so you have multiple streams of revenue coming in. So this is just one tip that I want to give you when it comes to strategic leverage and looking at an expense and turning that expense into one of your profit centers. So that being said, I'll see you on part three when we're talking about the abundant lifestyle, and I'll be shooting another video somewhere in the world so that you'll be able to see that that's what it's all about. It's about being able to travel anywhere in the world while your team is busy working for you so that you can have the abundant lifestyle. But you can't have the abundant lifestyle until you have an automated business and then you have strategic leverage. So that being said, my name is Peter Parks. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Peace out.